see what surprises in here. Oh. Ah. Now, I haven't got a clue what calipers they are. It's going to take me a while. Apparently these are brand new, and of course guys taking that long to get this far, he's just gone rusty. Should have kept some oil on them. So now here comes the internet. Now I've got to search pads to fit in here. Ugh, I don't know. Right, let's have a see. What's the part number on it? See what we got here. 6 7 3 2 0 1 5. 5. Let's put 5 in. Can't spell. Break out. Oh, we found them. That was easy enough, wasn't it? Which ones have we got though? There's these ones, isn't it? Yes, no, I think so. No. Images. It's going to take a while. I've taken the caliper off. As you can see, I've been researching these things for over an hour now, and that's the closest I can get to. They look very, very similar, but this bit here is different to one there. So, but if you know, leave me a comment, because I'm gonna have to take these to like Morning Board or a brakes specialist and see if they know exactly what they are, because I ain't got a bloody clue. So yeah, we'll leave it there, and as you can tell, I'm at my wit's end. It's testing me, man. It's testing me. So I'll just keep trucking at it, as they say, and hopefully we'll get there. So beat me for now, bastards. Yeah, now, if you can see that down there, this one's bent, and that should be free. That's quite tight, so I think that needs loosening off as well. Right, so I strip this side out. I'm going to take all these out. I'm going to put all brand new ones in there, because it's off. May as well put new ones in there. I'll do this for all 4 corners. Probably paint the calipers as well, make them freshen them up a bit, make them look a bit prettier, and I won't want to bore you with each side of that, so that's one next stage you've got to do. Still waiting for the ECU to come back after they decoded it, and I got to solder all that wiring together. So that'll be fun. So little break for now, because it's like 9-10 o'clock at night. So I have a sound to eat, shower, and bed, and then see you on part 3.